Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Figma prototype links for landing page branding flows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Figma prototype links for landing page branding flows, begin by opening your Figma project. Ensure you have your prototype ready and all the frames set up. Select the frame that you want to link from. On the right-hand side panel, locate the Prototype tab. Click on the plus icon to create an interaction. Choose the trigger for your interaction, such as on click or while hovering. Select the destination frame that you want to link to in your prototype. Adjust any additional settings, such as animation type or easing, according to your preference. Repeat these steps for each frame in your branding flow. To preview your prototype, click the Present button in the top right corner. This will open a new window where you can interact with your design. Test the connections to ensure that all links are functioning as expected. Once satisfied with the flow, share your prototype by clicking the Share button. Set the permissions for your link based on your audience's needs. Copy the prototype link provided and distribute it where necessary. Utilize this link to showcase your branding flows to stakeholders or team members. Make any adjustments based on feedback to refine your prototype further. With these steps, you will effectively connect Figma prototype links for your landing page branding flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.